I'm a sucker for pizza and I love them in every shape and form. And as eggplants are one of my favorite veggies, it was high time to make some eggplant pizzas. Here we go! I used 3 huge eggplants, which are called here in Turkey bostan. And they're, compared to the other kinds, a bit less bitter in taste. Of course, I could have used the other ones as well, but these were a bit cheaper at that time. To get rid of the bitterness of eggplants, cut them to the shape you want and let them rest in salty water for at least an hour. It helps a lot, trust me on that. I cut about 2.5 centimeter thick slices. That's about an inch of thickness for our American friends. Then I get some olive oil and brush that on both sides of the slices. Put that onto a baking pan. Both sides should be done so that the eggplant gets a chance to get some flavor. Pizza without some sauce is a crime and probably not even a pizza. So I got here my own cooked-in tomato sauce that I made in my winter prep, which you can watch here. But of course you can use any kind of tomato paste or sauce. To literally spice it up, I used some spicy sauce that was left over, not to forget some thyme, finally some salt. This is my preferred mix, but of course you can put any spices you want. I wish I had some basil for this pizza, for example. Mix that sauce well and spread it evenly on the eggplant slices. And then you can top this sourdough pizza with whatever you want. I got some olives, some green peppers, and some corn. This might seem pretty meager, I know, but I had once the chance to make a pizza without any meat. Finally, some grated cheese of your choice over it and you're done with the toppings. I wish I had some mozzarella for this as well. I always come up with improvements when I'm writing the script. Then it's time for the oven. Bake these yummies for about 20 minutes at around 180 degrees Celsius. Check on the eggplants if they are baked through with a fork. Maybe your eggplants will need a few minutes more or a few less. You never know. That's why you check. And that's it, guys. This has been the eggplant pizza, a gluten-free alternative, if you will. Even the skeptic of my home, my mom, really liked it. And she's not easy to please, I tell you that. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. Like if you want to support us and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Thank you for watching and see you next week.